Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner in Austin here, and today we're gonna watch this video. And there's something creepy on this video. It's so creepy. Watch this part. Oh my gosh! This thing is absolutely creepy. Look at this picture. Why does his eyes have fire in it? And the full thing is dark, but this thing is red? That is so creepy. That is absolutely creepy. Yeah, what the heck is this? Yeah. Look at this. His eyes... Look! His eyes have fire in it. Why does his eyes look so fiery? Look at his eyes, guys. This thing is so creepy. Look at that. See? This thing is so creepy. This video is so creepy. Look at this, guys. Guys, you don't want to watch this. This thing is so creepy. What the heck is this? Yeah. His eyes have fire. Look at his eyes. His eyes are so creepy. You guys don't want to see this. See this, guys? This thing is creepy. So if you guys know what that is, go to the comments. Yeah. Yeah, everything else is dark, and then that thing turns red, and his eyes and its eyes are fiery. And it has fire on its eyes. This is so creepy, guys. This is absolutely creepy. You guys don't want to see this. This video is really creepy. See this? And look at the background. See this? Red right here and red right here. Everything's dark, and that thing in the background on that, and that thing turns red, and then the eyes have fire in it. Oh my gosh. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Yeah, I don't know what the heck is this thing. But it's really creepy. So if you guys know what that is, go to the comments. So I'm just letting you guys know what this is. So goodbye, guys. Have a great day, and have a St. Patrick's Day. Yep, have a happy St. Patrick's Day, and I'll see you later. Goodbye. Have a great day.